The Haudio 7-inch HD touchscreen car stereo offers a seamless driving experience with its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, allowing you to effortlessly connect your smartphone for music, navigation, and hands-free calls. This portable car stereo is designed for universal fit, making it easy to install without needing to modify your car's original radio system, thanks to its adjustable adhesive bracket and cigarette lighter power connection. Featuring a high-resolution 1024 by 600 HD touchscreen, the Haudio stereo supports MirrorLink for both Android and iOS devices, providing entertainment options like YouTube and Netflix for passengers during long drives. Equipped with GPS navigation, the stereo offers real-time, precise directions and smart routing, while the included 1080p backup camera enhances safety by providing clear visibility when reversing. With Bluetooth connectivity, built-in speakers, aux, and FM transmitter, this car stereo delivers versatile audio output options, ensuring an immersive sound experience that adapts to your car's existing audio system. Haudio provides excellent customer support and recommends professional installation for the best results, ensuring that users can enjoy the full capabilities of their car stereo without hassle.